the content medium that's likely to get the most reach, which is 2.2 to 3.7x reach, is PDF documents on LinkedIn.
They're the only ones who even allow PDF docs.
Yeah, PDF documents on LinkedIn. Number 2, which was at 1.8 to 2.3x reach, was carousels.
Carousels.
Yeah, and those carousels could be anything. Could be photos, videos, doesn't matter. And then text and video were actually 3rd and 4th. And then it was like surveys and posts with external links, newsletters. But it makes so much sense. Yeah. Why? Because it's like professionals have different workday habits, and if they're like in the office or they're on work hours, like that,
there's
like
different.
You can download a PDF to read later. You can easily share a PDF. Like you can swipe through a carousel. Like it's quicker to absorb information, and they might not be able to watch.
Yeah.
Like and this is LinkedIn specific again, but it's just it's cool how platforms are so different from like each other.
Yeah.
And they have to kind of maintain that to maintain a a competitive difference.
Yeah.